What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's project is getting fingers through holes in your gloves, freezing your you-know-what off. We are mounting some push plates on that bad boy right there, 2021 Chevy 2500 HD. Here's the whole kit. You can get this stuff from local plow dealership. Some of this stuff, I think this belongs on my plow. So you might have doubles, but all that stuff right there has to go in. That's an oil change for the 19 Jeep. There's a video on this channel that if you guys need help with changing oil. But this isn't about that. We're doing some wiring. That's gonna be in a separate video, I think. Today, I'm just showing you guys how to put those push plates on there. Right here. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, I want to get you as best as I can in here before it gets too dark. I installed these already. I did not bore you with the install. I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this, though. Those two holes right there were just drilled with a 1/2-inch drill bit, and I'm going to show you step by step basically what to do here. I just wanted to show you guys a sneak little peek. All right, first things first. This lower air dam has to come off, and you could see all the little 8mm bolts that go in there. Once all those come out of there, this pops right back off. I'm actually going to try to reinstall this, cut this and trim this, and then that piece comes off. I think I might have to trim that as well on the bottom side, but you got to get these two pieces off. Very simple, all 8mm bolts, very easy to get at to underneath there. The instructions don't even tell you where they are, but once you get underneath there, you're going to be able to tell where they go. You can see right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got uppers and lowers, you'll see. And I'll show you on the front side of the truck exactly where this bolts to. All right, you can see those. There's 8 holes right there. And then there's 2 holes right there and right there. And here's all the hardware. Okay, let's go underneath the truck and I'll show you the first step to do to get these mounted up in here. All right, I'm just on this side because the tire's already this way, but those 2 bolts on the driver's side are on the back side of that. And that all that does is hold this plate in half, because this is a plate and this is a plate. So there's your push plate and there's your bolting plate. Now, once you get that all in place and get that squared up, there's actually a bolt on the other side of the frame. It's for the steering box. That's why both of these are circled out right there, that hole right here. That way that steering bolt can fit through there and pass through. Now, the next part, I'm not even gonna cut this out. The next part to this project is scary. That right here and right there, those 2 holes. You got to drill your frame. Yep, you got to do it. That's just the way it's mounted because this is a box frame all the way through and through. So that's the scariest part about this whole thing. But once you get this lined up and centered, you use a little WD-40 or drill oil. That's what I did. You can actually see a little bit on the ground right here, just to keep your bit from getting hot, and it'll go right through the frame. The frame is probably a little bit, maybe, I don't know. It's big, it's thicker than 1/8 of an inch. It's probably 3/16 or 5/16 steel, but it's boxed. So it's very, very strong frame for the 2020 and 2021 Duramax. So that is the biggest debacle here. And then I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do with these to get those bolts in there because it's a box frame. Okay. You can see a little duct tape so I don't lose the washer when I go inside the frame. You can see this is bent like that. That's 3.5 inches, that permanent marker mark right there. When you put this in the vise, you're going to want to bend that 3.5 inches. This is going to be your bottom hole, and this is going to be your top hole. That's 5 inches right there. This does come in the directions, so if you have any problems, make sure you just follow the instructions in the manual. But that's how you bend these so they can fit in the hole better. It's hard to explain. I can't even film it really because you have to go up inside the frame to get that done. And if you come over here, you can see where I trimmed them. So that's right now trimmed with the flush with the plow plate, and you won't see the push plate, plow plate. Yeah, same thing. So you got to trim those. You probably could trim those better and get those deeper inside, but I got them pretty flush and you won't be able to see those out. You see what I'm saying? So I got those pretty flush with the push plate on the inside. And then once I put my plastic piece back on, I'm gonna trim here and here. And then I might actually spray those black so you don't see them, and then fluid film everybody. But basically, see if I can get the light up in here for you guys. So basically, there you go. See that, the bottom, and then the top one goes over that cross member. It's probably the best view I can give you guys. And then that goes right through the frame, and that's how you get them. I have the inner liner in, but maybe we can get a shot of it. I don't know, let me get my light over here. Yeah, you see. Sorry guys for the bad angle here. Horrible camera work. But you can see one of them right there. And actually, now you can see that bolt for the steering box. See how it's cut out? And that's one of them, one bolt right there, and that's why it's black, because that's on that flat stock that you're gonna bend. Listen, it ain't that hard. It looks challenging, but sorry for the camera angle. Once you get these inside, I feel like the Blair Witch Project right now with the camera. Sorry if you guys are gonna get fucking headaches, but that's basically it, man. Once you get them in there, that bolts in, tighten everything down, you're good to go. And I think I'm gonna put my plastic piece back on, trim what I have to trim there and there, put that back up, and I'm even gonna try to put that lower air valance on as well. So, oh, and what I'm trimming it off with, the steel up underneath here, is just a little die grinder. Go easy, go slow, make sure you're not hitting anything else, make sure you don't hit your tow hooks or anything like that on the backside, and that's it. So, 2021 Fisher push plates. Not too bad, not too challenging. Follow your directions, and I hope this helps out somebody with a brand new truck like this one. So far so good. There's going to be a video on this truck on the channel shortly. I'm gonna go right through it, interior, exterior, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And you guys, if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you guys don't miss that video or any other videos we pop up on this thing. So here's the new 2021 Z71. This is LT edition Duramax with the 10-speed. So I'm not going to put too much more of that in this video. That's going to be on another video, and then we're going to do the wiring as well. So stay tuned to that. And guys, make sure you subscribe, notifications bell, leave a comment down below. I hope everybody's having a safe and happy winter, as guess you can be. So till next time, peace.